our lever stopped working, so figured it just come disconnected inside here. So we're gonna take the panel off and have a look, see what's going on inside. To take it off, there's a Phillips screw here, and then down here there's 3 torx T20 screws that gotta come out, and then we gotta pop off this cover. Oh, there we go. Just pop it off, and then we'll just work our way around. Probably be easier with 2 hands. But we also might just be able to pull it off. There we go. It's actually 2 screws in here, 1 in there, and 1 up here. And then now our panel should just pop off. Just as I suspected, the cable has just come unhooked from there. So that's why it wasn't working. Easy peasy. We'll get our hook back up and door panel put back on, and we'll be rocking. Bingo, bango, bongo. Bob's your aunt. Just had to connect the hook back to the lever there. And then there was also just this plastic little clip that holds the cable and everything in place. It must have just jangled loose or something. Get the door panel back on. You can figure it out. Thread the needle. Just back on. Check to make sure it works. Two screws from the center. Fucking bitch.